Mr. Walton got one. 4 finger. 4.5 finger tilapia. Fish number 3. Release. Lick. 5 kilos plus 8 kilos. 30 kilos. Good morning everybody. We are here at Napindan Pasig River boundary of the lake in the river. I'm here with my friend Saldo ADS TV.
Yes, good morning everyone.
Alton from New York, the fishing enthusiast of New York. Yeah.
Back here to try my luck.
Yeah. Try his luck to catch some massive tilapia or snakehead.
And I caught a snag.
Got a snag. This episode is for English only. We'll try our best to spoken in dollars. I will update you guys if we catch some. I catch some tilapia, but not too big. It's small. Yeah, I got 2.
Okay, I try na. You don't want to eat.
So you guys, we got some adventure again here in the grassland. We're moving out. Oh, it's to Makati. Itchy spider. Woo. Oh, you don't have any bulate? Here, we put our things here. There's too many vegetable here. I think I brought my...
Hoy!
Wow.
Pasiti pag-uod dito!
Winchester got 1. Also we use
Pasiti pag-uod! Kinakagat pag kinakagat!
we use guys Black Soldier Fry Larvae.
Ayan o! Positive!
If you want to buy,
Ayan o!
just PM Winchester Frog and Fish Tackle Shop.
Ayan o!
Oh, he got 1. Wait.
Ayan
Oh, he got 1
Pag-uod, ayan nakadalawa na.
with the Black Soldier Fly. We try it later, guys. This is English episode, no Tagalog. See.
Look at that! Oh. Look at that bite! Look at that bite!
Black Soldier Fly.
Black Soldier Fly!
Bang!
Black Soldier!
Pain sa ay, bait for knife fish. No, Tagalog, no.
I just release it.
Oh, just release it.
Wait, tinan mo dito may plapla yan. Dito lang yan.
We're in New York, guys, so we released the smallest one.
Yeah.
How deep is your
How deep is your lab?
Oh,
Only
half meter.
Yeah. Maybe 24 inches.
24 inches long of your
Naughty.
Naughty.
Naughty guy, ha?
Yeah, guys, dami ng gagamba dito, guys. Oh. Ayun, oh. Yung mga gagamba. Ito.
Tilapia.
Uli check, guys. Uli check. Oh. Dami na. Ayun, oh. Uod. Pain uod.
Combination.
Dami na langgam dito.
Ay,
Hito!
Channel 2 ka ba? Channel 7?
Yun na nga. We're using Black Soldier Fly. Kung gusto nyo bumili, guys, PM nyo lang yung wind tackle. Fish tackle.
You know.
Malalaki yung huli nila. Oo!
Baka uho ka na uho.
Gaya nung marami kaming huli sa nagsulo. Kunin yan! Tapos nung uwian na, nung puno yung cooler, wala lang gusto mag-uwi ng marami kasi ang dami linisin eh. Agat ngayon dito guys. Ayun o, kinagat-agad o. Watch. Na.
Kami rin dito.
Malaki yung huli nila. Blabla. Uy, hindi natali. Patapat lang, tagilid lang. Uy, ganda lang agad to. Ay, wala. Bumadali-dali. May bagyo pala ngayon, no?
Pala dinala. Ay, lupo rin na. Daya. Sasagbara, nila lang sila eh.
Uy, may laman na pala.
Oh, may laman na. Oy, Sarah Oil, biglang umaangat.
May laman na pala yun. May laman na siya. Sa gilid lang. Ayan.
Sando? Sando? Natuwad. Natuwad na dyan ah. Nagkatungaran na. Kung mayroong hadlang di ko papayagan mula sa puso tunay na.
Guys, yan si Mr. Walton. We'll go to Mr. Wally. Let's see if we catch some fish. Oh, the pathway here is to just like forest, but not a big tree. Sun skink. You know sun skink? We call it here in the Philippines bubuli. bubuli. Let's see if they catch some fish. Adali silang hito doon. They catch some catfish. African catfish. Saan? Sabi? Sino? You got some? Nothing.
Sabi mo sa kalinawan siya.
Did you try here? Here near the wall? Try it drop here.
Yes, I just drop it down. How about you? Any luck?
I've got 5 pieces.
Oh yeah?
Oh.
Fish on. Ano? Ito guys. Ito. Uli check. Oh, talapia. Dali, big fish. Big fish. Ayan na.
Ayan na.
Natin.
Ayan na.
Ito malon, knife fish. Laki massive.
Jumbo.
Laki talaga pag isda pain, oh. Solid. Laking kandolize.
Jumbo.
Sarap iyaw dyan, boss, no?
Ay, bango.
Bango niyan.
Bango yan.
Sarap iyaw niyan. Ayan yung bumuhay sa amin ni Busod sa may septic
Sa may sa may pipindan. Yan ang nagpapabusog sa amin doon.
Oo. Lalaking kanduli sa kahito.
Putulin natin.
Mr. Halton got one. 4 finger. 4.5 finger tilapia. Very good. Not zero. Not zero.
Not going home empty-handed. So, all yours.
Okay. Fish number 3 by
Quick release.
quick release.
Yan pala ang setup ko.
Keep it. We'll keep it. So, fish number 3.
Keep it and throw it.
Pangilan na? 7 pieces? 8? 8 pieces? It's a lucky day for Wally.
Sir Wally Walton.
Fish on and fish on.
Fish on only.
Ito. Uy! Flying tilapia!
Nice!
Double kill! Yaw! Pisyon. Nothing. We're here under the bridge. The under construction bridge. What bridge is it? What bridge? Up bridge. Under construction. Maybe it's Pasig to Pasig. Ilisco Road to Pinagbuhatan, Pasig. Biting. Dito. Wow!
Matusok ka.
Uy. Dito.
Suhan pa.
Oo mo.
Mark, ano mo yan personal mo yan
Pipi. Ay ano? Native ba? Native. Native. Sarap niyang, boss. Technique guys, ganyan. No. Papaanod nyo lang. Pwede rin ng drop rig. Yan. Wala. Huli check. Dami oh. Ito pa.
5 kilos plus 8 kilos.
5 kilos plus 8 kilos. 13 kilos. Ito. May ito pa. Guys, I'm rushing earlier. Look at my slippers. It's not fair. Yo, mag-iiyaw tayo ng huli.
Ako na, pasahin ako makakain.
Take a beer.
Yeah, parawan.
Katapat niya hanggang dulo, pinapalandit ko talaga sa putakis na napakalaki nito.
Kuya, nakapatay ko?
Pinatay ko, te. Mr. Walton is leaving.
Bye, sir.
Take care.